Started. Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 9 from paper October 2022. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques. Okay. Let's grab a pen. This is a question from paper October 2022. Okay. Figure 3 shows a sketch of the curve C with the equation y equals to 1 over 2x squared minus 10x plus 22. We have an equation of a curve. Write 1 over 2x squared minus 10x plus 22 in form of a completing square. Okay, let's copy the equation y equals to 1 over 2x squared minus 10x plus 22. So I need to write down in form of a completing square. So I will first take first term and the second term together. 1 over 2, let's factorize it. 1 over 2 has taken common. X squared minus 10 divided by 2, that is 20x plus 22. Okay, now I'm going to use here the rule for completing square. Write 1 over 2 as it is, and this x here minus, make a half of 20. So half of 20 is 10 and square on top. Okay, and then this negative 10 I'll write here with a square on top and bracket close because I have 1 over 2 outside. Plus 22, the third term, copy it down. This is the rule, because when you expand x minus 10 whole squared and solve with negative 10 squared, you will get basically the same thing in the previous step. So that's why we can write down in terms of whole squared form. Alright, now it's time to expand bracket. So 1 over 2 into x minus 10 whole squared. Negative 10 squared is 100, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So this is x minus 10 whole squared, and this is 50 plus 22. So negative 50 plus 22 is, copy it down, and this is negative 28. Okay, so A part is done, where A, B, and C are constants. So A is 1 over 2. This is A. B is negative 10, and C is negative 28. Okay, so C is negative 28. Now let's move on to the B part. The B part of this question is the point M is the minimum turning point of C, shown in figure 3. Deduce the coordinate of M. The minimum turning point, so M is here, is the minimum turning point, and minimum or maximum, any turning point we can get from completing square. So I have x minus, this is a square on top. Okay, I have x minus 10, so I can write x minus 10 equals to 0 to get what is x. So x is 10, and y is negative 28. So y value, we do not change, we do not reverse the sign here, we write as it is. So coordinate of M is, the B part here is 10 and negative 28. So this is M. Alright. Next, the line L is the normal to C. Okay, so this line is normal. This line is normal. At point P, this is the point of intersection, as shown in figure 3, given that L has equation y equals to k minus 1 over 8x. So the normal line has an equation y equals to k minus 1 over 8x. It means gradient of normal is negative 1 over 8. Alright, find the coordinate of P. To find the coordinate of P, because P is intersecting to the curve, because yeah, the line L is intersecting to the curve at point P. So, and I have y equals to k minus x. I don't know what is k. Otherwise, because the line L is intersecting at curve at point P, we can easily equate it and get it. But because I don't know what is k, so let's first find what is k. So the curve here is, let's look at the curve. Equation of a curve here is 1 over 2 x squared minus 10x plus 22. Okay, let's copy down the equation of a curve. Y equals to 1 over 2 x squared minus, let me check it again, negative 10x plus 22. Okay, so differentiate it with respect to x. Why I'm differentiating it? Because this is the derivative. Okay, this is m, but this is the derivative of a tangent. So if I find out the derivative of a tangent from the gradient of normal, so the gradient of normal is negative 1 over 8, and gradient of tangent, which is perpendicular to normal, is 8. Okay, so then I can equate both to get what is k. So let's differentiate it. 1 over 2x squared is 1 over 2 into 2x negative 10, and plus 22 is 0. The derivative of a constant is 0, and this is cancelled, so I have x minus 10. And gradient of tangent at P is, let me erase because I have to find out the coordinate of P. So this is 8, okay, at P, because, so I can find here x, so x will be 18. Okay, if x is 18, I can substitute back in the value of x in the equation of a curve. So let's use a calculator. 18 squared is 324, divided by 2 is 162. Negative 180 plus 22. Negative 180 plus 22 is 4. So y is 4 here. So the coordinate of P is 18 and 4. So this point here is, we have a graph here. So this point here is 18 and 4. Okay. Find the value of k. Because the line L, that is y equals to k minus 1 over 8x. Let me get a highlighter. So this is the equation of a straight line, and it also touches the curve at P, and P has the coordinate 18 and 4. So I can substitute the values to get to what is k, to get to know what is k. Okay, so let's copy down the equation of a straight line here. Y equals to k minus 18. Let me check again what is the equation. Negative 1 over 8x, okay. So this is negative 1 over 8x. Okay, so if y is 4 and x is 18, I can find here k. So 4 plus 18 divided by 8 equals to k, and 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 18. Make equivalent fraction, times this by 8. So 32 plus 18 is 50. So k here is 50 over 8. Simplify it, divide numerator and denominator by 2. So k is 25 over 4. Alright, this is done. The C part starting from here. Okay. Last part of the question, and this is the last question from this paper, October 2022. Figure 4 is a copy of a figure 3. The finite region R, shown shaded in figure 4, and is bounded by LC, and the line through M parallel to Y-axis, and identify the inequalities that define R. So if I look at R, the region R is under the line y equals to k minus 1 over 8x, and we just got k, that is 25 over 4 minus 1 over 8x. Because this is below the region is shaded below the line, so I can write here less than equals to. Okay, and the region is shaded above the curve, and curve is greater and equals to 1 over 2x squared minus 10x plus 22. Right? What else? And then I have this point, because this region is not shaded. Okay, only this is a shaded region. So if I write here x, because this question is having 3 marks, so I need to write down 3 inequalities here, because x is greater than this point is m is what was m? Let me check. 10 and minus 28. Okay, so m here is 10 and my negative 28. So this is 10. Okay, this is 10. So we can write down x is greater than 10. Greater than equal to, stick to one inequality, either greater or equal or greater for all three inequalities. Okay, that's it for this question number 9 from paper October 2022, Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you need more help, please write a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AYS Maths channel. Remaining questions on this paper, you can find it in a playlist. Thank you very much. Bye.